Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius, in this reading I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune. Sagittarius, this is your current energy. And Page of Swords, this is your partner's current energy. Some new opportunity is arriving in your life. Okay, a good time has arrived in your life, Sagittarius. Perhaps you were waiting for something to happen in your life in past, and it didn't take shape or form at that point of time. But now, all the things which you have manifested in past, all these things, all your dreams and desires are going to take shape in front of your eyes. Your best time has arrived. All right, with this Wheel of Fortune. On the other hand, we have Page of Swords. This is your partner's current energy, Sagittarius. It seems like your partner has done his or her homework. Okay, they are ready to take some solid action towards something. It could happen that they are ready to take some action towards you, towards this relationship. Okay, they are seeing an opportunity coming in front of them, and their sword is ready to take action. Okay, I feel that they don't want to miss a single minute to take any action towards you or towards this relationship. All right, now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. Compromise. Somebody is doing a lot of compromise for the other person. Sagittarius, it seems like it's you who is compromising on a lot of things right now for your person, for your relationship, because your person is somebody who is always ready, or who is now completely ready, who was busy in past to do or to collect all the informations and all that, but now at this point of time they are somebody who is ready to take action. But yes, when it comes to you, you were somebody who was compromising on a lot of things in past, and it seems like your time has arrived now, and you need not to compromise on anything, right? Anything for this relationship. All right, now Sagittarius, I'm going to pull 3 cards for you to check what your person feels about you, or how they see you, what they are doing right now, and what is going to be their future action towards you. Beyond illusion, friendliness, letting go. Okay, beyond illusion, it means your person sees you as somebody who always, for you, for them, is somebody who is always into uh you know who always think about limitations. Sorry, think beyond limitations. What am I saying? Okay, they must have planned something for you. Um, they have some their own illusions about anything or about something, but now they are completely thinking on a different level. All right, perhaps they were somebody who wanted to be with you. Your person is seeing you as somebody who you wanted to be with them in past. You were like so completely, truly, madly, and deeply in love with them, but something happened, and then you started realizing that it's okay. There are a lot of other things, lot of other relationship which requires my attention, which requires my affection, which requires my time. So you are being somebody who has started thinking beyond your illusion, because at some point of time you felt this love and relationships are nothing but an illusion. Okay, this person, your person, is doing friendliness. This person is, I'm feeling that this person has started talking to you again. Okay, I told you that in past they were not ready, but now they are ready with their they have done their homework, they have collected their data and all that. Now they have started talking to you again on a friendly note, that hey, I did this because I was, I was confused, or I was doing this, or I was doing that. So yes, with this friendliness card, it seems that they are being somebody who are who is who's trying to be with you, or who's going to, or who is trying to be more in you. All right. Future potential, or I would say the future, the action which they are going to take in future is letting go. Okay, perhaps you wanted them to take a stand in this relationship. Perhaps you wanted them to do something in this relationship. Now if they are into this friendliness energy, they are definitely going to come and tell you that hey, whatever happened happened. Now please let go of all such emotions and all such negative traits, and just please focus on future. I have something solid to give you. I really want to be with you. I really want to spend my life with you. So it would it won't be good for us to think about anything negative about this relationship. We should always think in a positive way. So please let go. Whatever happened happened. We cannot change the past, but yes, definitely we can work together right now in present, so that so that our future can be bright. Wow, what an explanation. Okay. So Sagittarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with earth sign with this compromise card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this friendliness and letting go. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this page of swords. All right. So Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.